racism and self-hatred, but hope these flows add some O's to my bank statement. Black Frank Davis, this is actually my calling, like 86 Dickies and Stanchman's, naturally New Orleans. Trinity born, bring the storm, leave you yes yawning. Rockin' sets don't crash till the next morning. For black folks it shows, I hope the sight just won. If you white and young, I still don't bite my tongue. On the topic, I've had Cabral revelation. Revolution built on land and cultural preservation. Keep it black with a patch in his head. Do this for the ancestors who got lashes from straps. Don't mean retro when we say take it back. Finna drop it in your hood like CIA did crack. MC professional, so I'm never short of words. I hustle dog like I just scored a quarter bird. All rights deserved, you get served some other doping. I got skills, leave way more than nostrils open. With self-determination and MC collide. Hip-hop family and 9 to 5 on the side. So the vibe to have my main job reflect my yearning. And it's self-determined every time I collect my earnings. Independent rap maturation, what you face, and hold the mic tight like the grip of a master. Resistance recital, revolutionary suicidal. Lie to the pigs with my hand on a stack of resistance recital, resistance recital, resistance recital, resistance recital, resistance recital. Grab the mic too, help you identify the cracker bacchanal and see right through. I see right through these damn savage badge having gun-toting whips. Have a brother ride dirty like Bumpy and Pimp. 40 cal in the console, no permit to conceal. Liberated MC, flipping scripts for the meal. Decide to ride with gorillas and commit to a deal. The best vehicle for me to spit you the real. But let me elucidate. I got loot to make, book buku dates and hip-hop recuperate. All that material shit, it don't infatuate. And over typical nonsense, don't hallucinate. Fuck strippers and videos, slide down a pole. While political prisoners get denied parole. Justice for the poor who spend time on these bids. Absent like libraries from MTV Cribs. Not saluting freedom fighters, then I'd be remiss. Taught me valuable principles, speaking of which the mantra of my movement is to get peace. Resist to the beast, raise a fist till I cease to exist. Now you peeping this, hope you closely listening while I speak upon the sacred discipline smuggled from the likes of Congo and Ghana, inspired by the writings of Bakari Katwana. It's been exploited, gotten stolen, also gotten love like every other black art. Welcome to the Cotton Club.
Well, you know, for years our music has inspired many people, but what happens when they go and they get inspired, they run off and they come and they sneak up on us at unawares and try to capture our art form or the way we display what we do, and go back, and they don't normally give credit nor respect to us. They just go ahead until they can steal what we do and run away with it. And